You out here out of pocket, man, with them lines and all that, man. You
No,
did.
it ain't out of lines, man. Listen, I told you that a 5-minute tutorial changed my whole setup. Now I
All right,
don't even
well,
use a bunch of shit.
real quick, bro, real quick though, because we are in fact live right now, and I want to send a special shout out. I want to send a special shout out to everybody watching this on the replay because I'm pretty sure when people see the title of this, they will. And it's a true story. I'm going to tell you the story, and it's a lesson in this too. You dig? But for everybody coming through, do me a favor, hit the like button, hit the love button. You know
Yeah,
what I mean?
hit the like and love it, want some more of it, button.
Yeah, man. Yeah, man. You know what I'm saying? So, but I want to wait for some more folks to get in here so I can tell the story about like what I did this week, which is absolutely insane. It is ain't the end of the world though. With
Yo,
that being said,
we
Corey,
got
what's up with you, bro?
I'm chilling. What's crazy is I did something today that I normally never do, which is I traded off of a chart. But I traded off of a chart that I
Hold
made.
up. I know Lance is here. Lance, did you hear that? Let's just stop. Let's pause for a second and let's just take in what Corey just said. You did what?
I traded off of a chart for my first time today. I used the chart for the first time to trade off of. And I was like, yo, this shit is all right. Because my chart is very, very simple. It got a lot of lines, but the lines is just like guidelines, literally.
See, but hold on though.
I
See,
don't listen. Stop before you get into it. It has my levels, and it has and it just has the bars going up and down, and the MACD.
right.
It don't have nothing else on that
Now,
shit.
but hear me out though. Just hear me out. This is what I've been telling you anyway. When it's set up for you and it's the things that you use, it's like this is simple. It's just this or just that. When you showed me what you were doing, I said, "Cuz what the." I ain't trying to
He
get
did
my
cuss
time.
at me this morning.
I ain't trying to get my time. I said, "Cool. What the hell is this, bro?"
Yeah, he cussed at me this morning.
It's because it's set up for you, right?
Specific.
And that's what I'm saying. Once you get into the things that are set up for you, it just makes sense. But everybody else will look at it and be like, "Yo, what is all that nonsense?" You know what I'm saying?
It was literally just lines on that joint though. Like it was just levels. So I put between Lance and Passer, they've been getting me to level stuff out. So that's what I did. So I just literally I went on my chart and I did what Passer told me, and then I got my levels, and then I just sat there and waited for the bounce off the levels. So
Listen,
when
I know I say this all the time.
The MACD.
I know I say this all the time, but I gotta continuously give Lance their flowers, and I say that because I'm editing now. I'm actually working on. We're probably gonna get off here early tonight so I can finish working on it, but I'm trying to get it done this weekend. Lance, don't cuss me out, but over this weekend it will be done. But I'm editing up this new course we got coming out. It's like part 2 of charting, and Lance is teaching, and yo. Lance is a genius, bro. Like I learned so much just from like sitting here watching her teach this. It's like, yo, it's life changing, bro. Like Lance is really that good, and I know a lot of y'all already know because a lot of y'all have done consults with Lance, have seen Lance's work. Like, yo, she's really that good. So I know what you mean when you say like just that time, like sitting with her. That put it like this, yo, she got core chart.
Yo, listen, I took my chart kind of naked. It don't even have no volume on it. My chart has no volume on it. It just has bars, it has levels, and then it got the MACD. Because the Lance said don't trade against the MACD. So I got the MACD on there so I don't lose my shirt. All right. So I don't have anything else on my joint.
Listen, I got the market whooped my ass this week. And I'm gonna tell y'all why, but the market really didn't though. Crazy part is really my fault, right? And I'm gonna explain that why in a second, man. Once we get some more likes up in this joint, man. But I definitely lost a good 4K.
It's 5 times more people in here than likes.
Yeah. As a matter of fact, let me start seeing who's here with us now. Julio, what's up? What's up, family?
What it is though?
What's good with you? Mark is here. Mark, what's good? Miss Phoenix Nadia, hey, we lost 4K. This is why I'm paper trading options. Listen, that's a good thing to do. You know what I mean? Like, as Meek says, man, wins and losses, man. You know what I'm saying? I hope Tanelia's not in here because she hates Meek, but it is what it is. Don, what's good, Don? Someone, I think I saw a post that said, I don't know if she posted it to somebody else that it said, name a celebrity that you hate for no reason. You just hate them. And I saw her say Meek. So, I just wanted GC, what's good, GC? How you been, bro? Cookie is here. Cookie was good. Cookie, I gotta get with you too, Cookie, because I gotta get you the information for the company we had last week. So everything is still rolling out with them. But I'll bring that up in a little bit. Rochelle, what's good? And Lance is here in the building. What's up, sis? How you doing, Lance?
Hey, what's going on?
Jamil, what up, though?
What it is, though?
I'm gonna tell you in a second, bro. I'm just waiting. You know what I'm saying? I see the more likes got up there. Y'all want to hear my horror story? I appreciate that. All right, Tay, what's good, Tay? Hey, I need a short clip of that one. Yeah, we gotta cut a clip out of that. Lance got core in these charts, man. Rochelle says, "Okay, fam, get it now." Like, yo, I don't think y'all understand. Like, Corey has been on hundreds and hundreds of footage of Corey. I don't do charts. I don't need charts. You know what I mean?
I tried it for the first time today. I tried it. I literally sat down here and tried it. So
peace, Jose. Peace. All right, so dealing with some central stuff around there. Oh boy. All right, I'm gonna shoot you a message about that, Latoya. I gotta get the quote unquote T on that. Cookie says, "Congratulations, Corey." Lance says, "Proud tears."
Yeah, you better congratulate Lance. Congratulate her, because I'm looking at this.
Jamil says, "March is now National Corey Charting Month, man. You know what I'm saying? We got a new month now, man." Jose is out here laughing, man. Yeah, Chart History Month. March and Corey's honor. Go home. What's good, bro? How you?
What it is, though?
Chastity said, good evening.
Chaz helped too, right? Because she gave us a simple strategy. I don't use that strategy anymore, but it was a very simple strategy that a baby could do. But
listen, man,
Chaz
is the real deal. Chaz
real deal, Holyfield.
I can name a number of folks: Chastity, Passer, Tone, Spoon, Lance, like. You know what I mean? Leslie, Ronnie,
listen, Tone changed my life.
I steal from everybody, yo.
Tone he literally gave me PTSD.
Yo, Tone got a crystal ball, bro.
He do, but his chart make me want to throw up.
Juliet, what's good, Juliet? How are you? Thank you for pulling up. Yo, everybody here, especially the folks that are new here, do me a favor, hit the like button. Yeah, man. A tree fell on my house during a tornado. Oh, my God. Sheesh. Man, sorry to hear that, man. We don't see. I was getting ready to say we don't deal with tornadoes here, but I don't want to say that because I know as soon as I say it, it'll be a tornado this weekend. So I'm gonna chill. We got enough stuff going on in Philadelphia, but man, sorry to hear that, man. I hope everything works itself out good, brother. I mean, that's crazy.
Yeah, man.
Pass.
What it is though, GC,
Dontre,
man. You know.
Good evening, Dontre.
I'm glad you okay though. Don't we ain't worry about Algo. We worry about you, man. Get yourself together. I hope everything is good with you.
Yeah, Lisa, what's good, Lisa? Julio says, GC, damn. Yeah, that's crazy, man. Good evening, everyone, man. When is Dion going to come on with the screen?
Whenever he want. Dion.
Yo, I gotta hit him up, hit him back.
That's on us. It's not on him. Whenever he want, though.
Yeah, whenever he ready, the floor is always open for the brother. You dig? Better cut that insurance check. I'm about to... Yo, I do not advise doing. My guy said he's cutting his insurance check, but instead of getting his crib fixed, he's gonna buy some crypto. You are officially an addict, bro. You are officially an addict.
Get that change, bro. Get that change, Jay.
He said he's fine though, man. It's good to hear you fine. All right, so let me tell y'all the story, man. So this past week, I lost a total of about 4K in the options game, right? As you can see, I'm still laughing and smiling because at the end of the day, I was giving money back over the last, and I've been sharing it in the group over the last like 3 weeks before this. I'm probably up like 6,500, right? But here's the problem with that though. Up 6,500 in 3 weeks and then give back 4K, and I literally was in one day. I say for the week because it is overall for the week. But the crazy part about losing 4K core is 4K is my end loss at the end of the week. I actually had 2 days where I made over a stack, right? Which was like Monday and Tuesday. Wednesday night into Thursday is when I had a huge loss. But then after I total everything out during a week, because I do that, you know what I'm saying? I keep track of everything.
As you should.
Yeah, it's a 4K. And I'm going to tell y'all how I did this and how it's my fault and how it's a learning experience from this. Couple things. One, I want away from what I do, right? So I had success over 3 weeks, even had success Monday and Tuesday. You start feeling yourself and you get away from what you do. I didn't set an OCO order, Didn't set stop loss. I was like, I'm in here watching this all day long, so I can just maneuver as accordingly, right? Now, a couple things happened. Second thing that happened was in the crypto space, I was working on some other stuff that I don't generally do. I got way out of my wheelhouse. I was trying to flip some money in crypto with a quick flip, so I wasn't paying attention. Even though I set the trade up and I said I'm here, so I don't have to set my stop loss because I'm paying attention. I wasn't paying attention. So what happened was I think I had like 13 contracts of like buy or something. Y'all be wilding, bro. But that's how I hit heavy when I hit, right? But here's the crazy part. My analysis was absolutely correct. I was running a put. I believe it was Wednesday. It was Wednesday evening. I was running a put, and I was actually in the money. I was already up, and I did something that Tone has told me consistently for months to stop doing. Tone told me, he said, "Yo, when you trade in SPY, never hold contracts overnight." But because I wasn't paying attention and I was doing something in crypto that I don't generally do, I never set a stop loss, right? And
you held it overnight.
I held it overnight.
Oh man.
Thursday morning comes, that son bitch gapped up so crazy. I think it was 416 at close. I had a 420 put, right? So I was in the money. Thursday come up, that John went to like 428, close to 430. Like before the market opened, the contract was worthless and it expired that Thursday, right? So when I bought the contract, it wasn't the same day. I bought it on Wednesday and it expired on Thursday. So once it gapped up like that, now what happens is, it's just the theta is just kicking in this bow, bow, bow. And remember, I had like 13 of them bad boys.
so every tick was 13 ticks.
Bro, it was nasty work. It was definitely nasty work. It was so nasty that I didn't even total everything up to the end of the day. So I'm like, all right. So I was like, all right, let me get some back on the Amazon play. The Amazon play, I lost a little bit on that, not much, because it didn't run away with like it generally runs. And I think that has a lot to do with the whole announcement Amazon made this week. Right now, with that being said, I was telling Core, I cut my losses on that. It was real small though, but we would have actually been right if we'd have held to close. Between 3 and 4, that thing dropped like crazy. Yeah. So what I did was I broke every rule. Because like anybody who I talk to like within the group knows that I generally set OCO orders most of the time. So then I'm already calculating what my max loss could be. That's the first thing I did wrong. The second thing I did wrong was I was in crypto doing something I don't generally do, but I was trying to flip some quick money. I was drawing. That's not what I do. So paying attention to that, I lost track of time over here, and then the market closed. So then, being honest with you, I was like, all right, so it gaps up. I was like, but if it gaps down, I'll be more in the money because I remember I had 420 puts. You know what I'm saying? So I broke out. I broke every rule there is, and I paid for it. But I can still laugh though because I gave house money back. The problem with that is this though. It's like, yo, I wasted some weeks. It's time, really.
Yeah.
You know what I mean? It's not about the money because the money, the money that I lost in the market, I got out of the market anyway. So it's not really the money, it's the time.
Yeah.
You see what I'm saying? It's the actual time.
Every time you lose money like that, it's a time loss because all the other times that you did all the right things just got wiped out by one bonehead mistake.
Dog, I made like 4 bonehead mistakes.
I mean, it compounded into 4 bonehead mistakes, but it was really just
what you always tell me. You said, bro, compound interest works good and bad, right?
It worked up and down. Like it don't just work one way. Compound interest don't work just one way.
Yeah. See, Pastor said what I said too. Like,
man, listen, I paid. First of all, I noticed that it was ranging, and I had the range on my chart. So every time it touched the bottom of that range, I put in a call, and every time it touched the top of that range, I put in a put.
Oh, you was out here scalping today.
I was cracking the shit out the market off my chart.
Yeah, the market took my bread and gave it to Corey.
Yes, it did. because I was cracking it. Yo, I literally just traded Amazon all day. I was cracking this shit out Amazon. Ooh, my fault. I keep cussing, but I was manhandling the market today.
Yeah, Chastity tried to get Amazon, but it wasn't working for her. And that's the
And
crazy part. It actually ended up working
the
though.
crazy part is I was trading Amazon and Google. I was trading Amazon and Google today, and they both was just giving up the cheeks. They was just like,
Yeah.
give it to me, baby.
Amazon and Google, the two companies doing the 20 for 1, right?
Yeah, man. They was both giving up the ghost today, though.
Yeah, man. So let me see. Have you heard about White Sands? Listen, absolutely. That's in
they want to see my chart. Hold on,
it's in NFT worlds. Oh, hold on, let me get to that first.
No. I know what you're doing, but
yeah. So yeah, I heard about White Sands. Yo, GC, when it comes to crypto, like we be on stuff just because of the network we in. Like our network is insane when it comes to crypto. But I definitely hold up both of them though. It's a metaverse play. But again, I'm sticking what I do. Lance says, dang, yeah. ADA is tanking. I mean, do they even got a project yet? Do they even got a project yet?
Sorry for your loss, but we don't really, we don't really care about that.
I'm not an ADA fan. You have to stay in your wheelhouse. Otherwise, the juice ain't worth the squeeze. Passing, man. You're right. Yo, and it's funny. I was telling Lance this, I think last week. I was like, yo, the funny thing about it is I do this often. Like I'll lose money. And every time I lose money, it's because I'm not following the rules. I'm like, it never works out when I don't follow the rules. Yet somehow my brain, I don't know, maybe.
But listen, Pastor told us this morning. He literally told us.
Yo, what Mike Tyson
It never works out. Never works out. Your brain is set up to trade and do dumb stuff, and you literally just be giving, you know what I mean? Like giving.
I don't know what it is. Yo, what Mike Tyson said. Mike Tyson said, I got a relaxed brain. I must got a relaxed brain or something, man. Like, I don't know what's going on. So I'm going to cut my losses tomorrow morning. Hey, listen, there's nothing wrong with taking small losses.
Yeah, large wins, small losses.
Boy, Charles lied about his degree. Man, Charles been lied about everything. Charles been lied about everything, bro. If you ever read the book that goes over the founding of Ethereum, it's an Ethereum book I read.
Who is Charles?
Charles lied about a whole lot.
Charles who?
No, I think he's talking about the brother that the founder of ADA.
Oh, I don't pay no attention to that.
I'm a beginner and started with crypto.com. Okay. Got you. Yeah, ouch. Crazy, right? Uh-oh. Look at GC out here pumping his bag.
Go ahead. Hey, listen, man.
Not financial advice. Do your own research. I'm still on Fed base. Yes, you are.
You wildin'. If you still on Fed base.
Listen, man. Jose, I know I did, bro. But the thing is, though, that's why I want to share with y'all, too, because when I smack the market in the mouth, I share the good with y'all. So I'm going to share it all with y'all. Like, I'm very transparent. You know what I mean? Like, breaking rules. Yeah, Chaz, definitely. I wasn't a great money manager, as Chastity would tell me. Hey, Pat. What's good, Pat? Yeah, he said I'm breaking everything. Position size rules. Yeah, I'm breaking it all.
No, I didn't mean to put that up, but yeah, that was my
Look at Corey. I here trying to launch rockets.
That was my chart today, though. You see how it was ranging and just
look at him trying to launch rockets, man.
I didn't launch no rockets. I told you I got two things on my chart. I got the lines that I put in myself, and then I got the MACD because she told me not to. Lance told me not to play without the MACD on my side.
Hey, listen, man. You might want to look in the word. Now, listen, man. I'm
yeah, not. I ain't messing around with none of them projects,
bro. I'm not shitcoining.
But yeah, this is my chart.
Yeah, I mean, I see you, man. You got the pass looking levels on there, man. I see a little bit of passing in your charts too.
Yeah, man. I told you.
It did pay.
It changed. This is, you can see where it paid. You see where that joint took that dump, that red dot on my MACD chart. It took a absolute dump.
Yo,
right there.
The crazy part about it, bro, is like, in the crypto space, right? So the nodes we got, We've been running a no bag up too. Shout out to Russ, who teaches our Thursday class. So that's the great thing about it. That's why I could sit here and laugh even with the losses, because the nodes make you get paid every day, literally every day, without doing anything. That's kind of the way we've been on in the crypto space. Like NFTs is like, that's like last year at this point. Isn't it crazy how fast crypto moves, bro? Crypto moves crazy. Crypto moves crazy. And I knew the NFT wave was over when I got like aunts calling me, asking me about NFTs. I'm like, it's over. yo, listen.
It ain't over. But the crazy part is it ain't over, because you know, charlatans out here doing.
It's over though, bro. It's for the most part.
It's not.
Marketers ruin everything. This is coming from someone who markets. Marketers ruin everything. We get into spaces and we don't know how to behave, and we just ruin everything, man. It used to be beautiful. The wave is over though. What I mean by that is, it's still early, but when I say the wave is over, I'm talking about that wave of the way that the money was working. It's not going to be like it was when we was doing NFTs like the year before last.
Yeah, you can get it for $4 or $5 on an NFT.
And
these NFTs,
they extra money.
Yeah, they starting off at $300, $400, $500. You ain't getting in cheap no more.
Nobody's buying sandboxing at less than $10. Like the way celebrities and marketers come in and just like, that ain't happening no more, y'all. Yes, he did. Yeah, you ain't never lied. Amazon was range bound and giving away money within that range. I just didn't want to put those plays in the NDC because I didn't want to confuse. Yeah, past because that was smart on your behalf, because folks would have got all messed up.
Yeah, there they got.
I'm 90% ETH right now. Hold up, 90% ETH.
Yeah, you wildin'. Good job though. I ain't mad at you. Like
all roads lead to BTC. I'm not worried about it. Thank you for being transparent. Listen, Rochelle, I gotta be transparent, man. I share all my wins, right?
Yeah, right.
You know what I'm saying? So I share my wins. Gotta share. Listen, man.
I don't share anything. I don't put no screenshots of anything anywhere no more. But
I'm only doing it with our folks though, just to show like sometimes. But I'm gonna chill on that too. But I only do it with our folks like in the group.
I might. You know what though? I might start sharing in the group. Because I clapped Google on Monday. I stuck my foot in Google back on Monday.
Listen, I broke my rule with Apple when it held it and it recovered nicely. Yeah, see, and that's the crazy thing, Chaz. I've had that so that's the problem with like doing the wrong thing. Sometimes the wrong thing works out, and that just makes it worse, right? Because when the wrong thing works out, it just makes it worse. That's how you get caught, like I did. Florence, South Carolina. What's good, Mike? What's good, Mike? I advise students not to do what I do what I say. Don't be like me. Be better than me.
Right.
Yeah, 1 week in crypto feels like 6 months. Yeah, crypto is a different animal, man. That thing just be moving, yo. I don't trust trading Amazon.
I ain't mad at you, but
yeah, you gotta understand. You gotta understand how fast it moves, and
I need volatility in what I trade, because I want to make my money. Like if I'm going to get into something and I'm going to be scalping it, I don't want to be sitting there. You know what I mean? Like once I hit my level, I want to stick my money in there, and then I know where the range at. I get my money out. I set my stop loss, and then I just leave my. You know what I mean?
Mm-hmm. So the rules are your personal bodyguard. They protect you from getting your legs broken, your pockets ran.
Man, if that ain't the truth.
Yo, you ain't never lied, bro.
You ain't never lied about nothing.
That's absolute facts. And but that's why another reason why I wanted to share this, because so folks will stick to the script and won't make the mistakes. You know what I mean? Like, don't make the mistakes.
What's crazy is I had the same bottom level that Pastor had. I was like, that's when I knew my game was tight. I was like, ooh. I said, oh, I did it right. I was like, I was like 30 cents off where he was at on my game.
I see with all this regulation, how that boy Satoshi said BTC real nice. Yeah, I don't even care about this regulation. Like, what are they going to do? Like, short of like shutting the internet down, there's nothing they can do. All this regulation is for all the shit coins. Like, it's nothing they really can do.
Nothing.
They can call it shit coin regulation, because the thing about it is, and they try to fud with Bitcoin. I saw something that
and then they tried with the IP addresses with the wallets and all that stuff. Listen. If you got a wallet and they try to IP address stuff, all you need is a VPN, and then you move your stuff to your private wallet, and then now your Bitcoin is protected again.
Listen, man, I already showed y'all on here before. I'm not gonna pull it out now, pause. But when I put mine, I can make mine physical. There's literally nothing they can do. I can't do that with any other crypto. I can't even do it with ETH. I can make my Bitcoin. There's nothing they can do. So I just laugh at all this. But I see the FUD. I saw Crypto Black post an article, and the guy was talking about how difficult it is for someone to inherit your Bitcoin. I said, it's the most ridiculous thing I've ever seen.
Yeah, because they have no idea. We just showed something last week where you can have somebody inherit your Bitcoin, and you don't have, and there's no government interference in it at all. If they got an email address, they can't stop nothing. So how is it difficult? It's only difficult because people make it difficult.
Listen,
right?
bro. That's what separates
level.
It's what separates it from everything else. When you see how it's actually, when you really start to study, you start to understand how it separates it from everything else. And that includes ETH. Now, it is what it is, though. Ain't nobody just gonna hammer down. So what's the move now? My move is I'm stacking sats and putting them in cold storage.
Yeah, I'm gonna tell you this, and this ain't investment advice. I took every dollar of Bitcoin I had off an exchange that I didn't buy today. So if it didn't get bought today, I took literally every dollar of Bitcoin I had off of exchanges. I left all my other crypto on exchanges, though. You know what I mean? Not on exchanges, but in places where you can make money.
I took banks and things like that.
Yeah, man. I'm off every single dollar I buy in Bitcoin is going into cold storage.
I've had a majority of mine in cold storage, but I still got some of them out there. I'm out there.
Man, I'm not even playing with it. As soon as I get it, I gotta get it in my possession.
All right. So your next thing is I gotta show you how to whirlpool it. So now no one even knows where you got it from. That's the next step. That's the next step.
Yeah.
Once you do that, it's like it's in the ether, and then it's like for lack of a better term. I mean, no pun intended. Now, see the problem with it is right. So I still got some NFT. I still got some sandbox land. I'm about to sell some more though.
I'm about to say you better come off that, dog, and go ahead and get some more of these nodes and all that stuff. Or you don't even have to do that though. You can. I know you know this, but you can just let somebody, you know what I mean? Like you can just put it up and let somebody use it, and you can get paid for just having it sit.
But I don't even like.
You can just have.
I'm off the NFT. I don't even be like paying attention to it. Like I got horses and all kinds of stuff.
You put it on the website. Let somebody borrow it, and then they gotta pay you for it every single time.
Yeah. Oh, almost 50 deep. It'll be another giveaway time. Like Chaz is building her firm up. Congratulations, Chaz. I love what you're doing. I love how you're helping our folks. I'm so sick of these self-crowned crypto group. Listen, I hate it, yo. It's nasty. It's nasty. And they hate me too, though, because I be getting slandered online. But the thing is, I get it about they
slander because we got history, we got current events, and we have technology on our side. I don't care nothing about none of that. So you can hate me, but if I got those three things on my side, I got history, current events, and technology on my side. Like, what are you talking about?
That's a good point. I'm stealing that, by the way. I think next time I'm gonna clap at somebody, that's exactly what I'm gonna say. I'm gonna steal it. I got history, current events, and technology on my side. That's a bar. Yeah, man. Because folks just be trying to like NFT anything, man. They be like, take your glasses off, make this an NFT. I'm like, where's the value?
Right.
And if one more of y'all reach out to me like, set up your own token. No. Like, just no. Like, no. I don't want to rob folks, man. And the crazy part is folks are so okay with just taking money from people that they look at me like I'm crazy, bro. They be like, y'all should set up your own token. I'm like, what's the point? Because people will buy it and then y'all can make money. I said, so what are we giving them? The token.
Yeah.
I'm like, where's the value? Doesn't matter. You're gonna make money. No, no, man. Like, but folks are okay with that though.
And listen, and I'm not mad at people just running out to get it back, right? But that's just not our move, man. We not scamming nobody. That's just not what we're gonna do. We're not scamming nobody. Because if we create a coin, it don't have no utility. It don't give you nothing. We're not doing that. Like, we can create a coin with utility, but the whole thing about it is, at what point does, some things just don't need to be an NFT. I can give you the same utilities without the NFT. You just want to own an NFT, I can create one for you and send it to you. Like, I don't need shit don't make no sense.
Yeah, man. And wait till you try to cash out of some of them joints. They be illiquid as hell. Telling exchanges to freeze every Russian crypto account. Yeah. And if people got their money on an exchange, they're gonna be ass out. And this is why we tell people, and have been telling people for years, get your money off of exchanges. Corey over there feeling like Willie Burton. Yeah, I remember that game. Shout out to Willie Burton. Willie Burton might be the worst player in the NBA history to ever score
50 bomb, and he scored it for the Sixers.
Yeah,
I was at that game. I was like, yo, why is Willie Burton? Matter of fact, I was at 2 games with 2 people I've never seen really got off. I seen Dana Barrow score 50. And
he put up half a man.
I seen Dana Barrows and Willie Burton score 50 burgers. I was like, what in the hell is going on here? I thought I was possessed. I was like, what is going on?
Yeah.
And the Sixers was not even low-key trash. They was high-key trash.
I was like, yeah, these type of games they're gonna be playing in the future. Get your coins off the exchanges ASAP. Yeah, get them off there, yo.
Hey, I put it in I put it in our chat, and I'll tell y'all here that ain't in our chat. If you're not running a play, get your coins off the exchange.
Listen, it says building your own NFT projects, right? So GC, I was having this conversation today, me, Corey, and our brother Kamari. And what I was telling him is I was like, yo, but you have to build a project. You can't just make it. It's a difference between building a project.
You can't just make an NFT and then
create an NFT.
Yeah.
I seen dudes take pictures out of their iPhone and just like mint them and be like, yo, here's my NFT. There's no project around it. But
no white paper, no pen paper, no nothing. Just no roadmap. Just there's all kinds of things you're supposed to do when you're putting out a project. You're supposed to put out a roadmap. You're supposed to do the white papers. You're supposed to do pink papers if you're going to sell the joint. Like people not even creating projects. They just sticking stuff out there.
And if we really want to get into it, none of your NFTs are decentralized either.
At all. Never. It can't be.
It's nothing but a hash rate. And who owns the hash rate? You think you own the hash rate because you own an NFT. Then you look at the percentage that go through OpenSea, which is centralized.
Like 90%. Like so 80-something percent. Yeah, I'm gonna stop beating on NFTs because people made a lot of money off NFTs, and I made a lot of money off NFTs, but it's just dumb.
People take it too far. People take things too far. That's all it is.
Nothing wrong with nothing wrong with NFTs.
It gets frustrating when you see
the thing is NFTs have a use case, and they have lots of use cases that don't include scamming people for money.
I'm reading GC's comments. It's just crazy, right? But I guess, and the thing is, I'm not anti-NFT. We've taught on NFTs. We talked about them, so don't take this wrong. I guess I'm just anti-scam culture, and that's exactly what it is. It's like, and that's what Toya just says. It's centralized scam culture. That's what I'm against. I'm not against NFTs. I'm not even against your shit coins. I'm just against scamming people. That bothers me, yo. Because what happens with these scams, like 9 times out of 10, it's our folks that get hurt with it.
And that's what's up. It's like the pump and dump scams.
Some people were raised to get off when they see an opportunity. They need better old heads then, because it's not just about an opportunity. It's like, what are you building long term? I mean, everything ain't a hustle. Mark, what's good, bro? How you? Like, all money ain't good money, and I guess that's what it really boils down to. You know what I'm saying? The crazy part is the new wave is not promising a roadmap for anything and just letting the men off of rent. But that is kind of a scam. And that's kind of what the point. That's like the thing. Like everybody is chasing lottery tickets. So what they'll do is they'll jump into these things because this could be the next this. This could be the next this. It's out of control right now. Dion, what's good, Dion? Dion, we've had folks reach out to us, say when you coming through with the screeners, man. I say whenever Dion is ready, Dion, we here for you, bro. Whenever you ready, share the knowledge.
Yeah,
we here.
Share the knowledge, man. Callie and them is ready with the codes and all that stuff too. We just ain't reach out to them either.
Okay, we're gonna get all that done. James Brown had the first black token with the black and brown stamp. Google it. Oh, say it loud.
I'm black and I'm proud.
You didn't see what I did there. Anyway, y'all better sound like we're not against rap. We're not against rappers. We're against those thugs. Sound like see Dolores Tucker out here.
Yo, man. It's crazy, man. Because scammers burn my bridges right now. We never say nothing we never say names on this joint, right? Because we ain't really, unless we doing praise, right? Because we really ain't, you know, first of all, we not stunting on black people. We just not gonna do that. Now, you know what I mean? If y'all want to say somebody's name, you know, we will nod our head or we will wink our eyes and or raise our eyebrows in approval or disapproval. We will be like, you know, those people in the when they get captured, you know what I mean? Looking left and right when you say a person's name, but we not gonna never say nobody's name, you know what I mean? Like, but it's scammy out this joint. It's crazy, man. It's absolute nuts out here, man.
Yo, Lance is hilarious, yo. That was funny. That was funny. That was funny. Yo, Julio laughing at Lance. Yeah, that was definitely hilarious. Yeah, man. A big thing I've seen is the alpha groups. Ridiculous, man. That's part of it. NFTs are like when dope boys in the 90s found out they could break the kryptonite. Yeah, all stepped on and nasty.
Yeah, man. When they found out they can cut the coke.
Soda.
When they found out they can cut the coke, that's what they did.
Yeah, NFTs is mad stepped on right now.
Yeah, it is. But that's who you look at who's selling. There's a bunch of dope boys. Yeah, they just playing the same game. They just putting it in a different way.
With that one. We definitely gonna put it together. Scam beezies. Reverend Crypto Butts, C5 Dolores Tucker. Oh my God.
Yeah, man.
Yo, yeah, man. Yo, Dolores Tucker was out of pocket, yo.
No, she wasn't.
And that's the thing, though.
The crazy part is she wasn't. No.
All right. Let's break it down.
Listen. All right. So I'll say this: her clapping directly at black people when it was everybody doing it, I had an issue with that. But where she was going with it she wasn't totally off because she understood that the music is part of the language. You know what I mean? So not saying that she was right in how she did it, but what she was saying wasn't wrong.
Yo. All right. Now, my point is there are a lot of folks who were talking to the culture at the same time, but they didn't talk to them that way. It's not just in your message, it's how you speak to someone, right? If I go tell a young boy off the street that you a bum, you need to stop selling drugs, and they ain't trying to hear that.
Yeah.
You know what I'm saying? Because you don't understand the circumstances would lead to them expressing themselves in music that way. Like, why are they out there saying F the police, right? What leads you to say that? Right? Don't be just offended that I'm saying that. It would like dig back and figure out why.
Yeah.
So
it's
how you communicate. It's how you communicate with people.
I get it.
No,
yeah, that's what I said. It was about messaging and how she was coming at black folks. Like, I don't really like, you know, that could have been handled in a totally different way.
Because here's the thing: even if you're completely correct in your assessment in terms of what you're saying, right? How you come at someone could change everything, right?
Everything. Listen, it's never about what you say, right? Because you could listen, man. People tell people they're gonna kill them every day, but it's about how you say it. People be saying all kinds of crazy stuff. People be saying, listen, but it's how they say it. Like a comedian can tell you he gonna kill you. You never gonna think he really gonna kill you. But if a dude, you know, angry at you and they tell you they're gonna kill you, you're gonna take that a lot more seriously. It's so like you're saying, it's not about how you know what I mean?
These comments got me dying, man. All right, so a prime example of the scam culture vibe was Jim Jones having a coin. You're not paying for his music, but trusting him in anything business oriented FOH.
Hey, I will not confirm or deny those. I will not confirm or deny. Yeah,
not a fan of Capo coin.
I'm not going to confirm or
deny. What's the value of Capo coin right now?
Man, whatever it is, it's all, you know, whatever. And listen, man, you can't. This is what I will say about NFT code. You can't tell people what to find value in, right?
At all.
You can't tell people what to find value in. And so I just say this, you know what I mean? If you find value in it and other people find value in it, you've created culture around it, and then you can do whatever you want with it. I prefer not to create in that kind of culture. I just don't want to do it. So go ahead and get your coins. You can't tell people what to like and not like, especially, see, that's the whole thing about a free and open market, right? Sometimes a free and open market will allow for things that, you know, you personally won't take a step into. And just because I won't step into it, don't mean that it's not it's worth something to someone, right? And if you can create it, listen, marketing creates culture, right? Because we don't own anything. We create phenomena, but we don't create culture because we don't own it.
Mm-hmm.
And so, the other thing about this is there is some ownership aspects of it. So,
No, I'm not mad at what anybody does. I'm just talking about, like, for me, is flat out scam culture. And all right, but I understand the world we live in. Folks is going to do what they got to do.
Yeah, man.
But I want our folks to be aware, because I don't even care if you go out and buy some of these things and these projects. I don't care, but just be aware of what it is you're doing. That's all I'm saying.
If you collecting it, then the value is all in how you feel about it. You know what I mean? Or if you looking for ROI, then you got to know, what creates that ROI. If you're looking for, a long-term hold, then you got to know whether that project is, you know what I mean?
Yeah,
set up the win long
somebody
term.
needed to say F the police.
For sure.
Because for me though, getting back to it's just the education part is missing so bad, because it's kind of like a comment I was having in a thread with Chris and Russ today, and I was saying, like, the thing about Bitcoin is when you truly get an understanding of what Bitcoin is, you don't even care about the price. Because somebody was talking about, oh, well, now you need, in order for it to 10x, you got. I'm like, when you really understand what it is, you don't even care what the price is. The price doesn't even matter. Yeah. I don't even look at I don't care about the price.
Yeah, I'm never going to look at the price of Bitcoin again. I'm just going to buy and hold. I'm never looking at
for Tipper Gore and Sheriff Navarro. Jamil, you was outside back then. I remember all of them, and I remember everything they said and did.
Yeah, for sure. They was definitely out here calling people out their name.
The truth without love makes you harsh. Love without truth makes you an enabler.
Yep.
Super facts.
Super
Jose
facts.
says that a capo coin is worthless.
Not the people who
as another person's cipher sword.
Sure. Facts.
Passer, I gotta steal that. I gotta put this in my folder of quotes from
quotes.
Passer, man. I could make me a whole Twitter series on quotes I just stole from Passer.
As you should. you should put his name on them joints and
make a hashtag quotes from Passer.
Yeah, man.
There was turn them joints loose. NYC that accepted capo coins. Oh, that's dope. He got his stuff put in coins.
Hey, listen, I ain't mad at that.
I mean, the stores rather. Lance wants to know, was it a couple of bodegas? I mean, I can cop some capo. If I can get some turkey, bacon, egg, and cheese with them, Jones. I mean, we out here. But it's with the net. That's on Ethereum, though, ain't it?
What, capo coin?
Yeah. I don't know what chain it's on.
I don't touch anything on Ethereum. As long,
but I'm just saying, if it is, by the time you pay for your turkey, bacon, egg, and cheese, the gas fees, like,
you're gonna be paying $11.50 in gas fees for a $4 sandwich. You're gonna be paying $15 for a $4
GC,
sandwich.
I'm not denying that it's marketing. That's all it is. I mean, it is, but it's like, as long as you understand, that's what you're doing.
Yeah.
Not a capo coin, man. Capo coin. People don't want to be free. That's why they don't really see the value of Bitcoin. People do. Oh, man. Oh, that's a bar, Latoya. I'm still in that too. People don't want freedom. You know why they don't want freedom? Because freedom comes with responsibility.
Yeah, man. We this is what we always talk about when we do our classes. Freedom comes with responsibility.
People always buy shit and complain that it smells like this. Is true.
I heard my grandmother say this.
This is true. They're never happy. Oh, listen, Jamil got a point. Capo coin is accepted in more spots than Shibu and Doge. Hey, listen, I'm not. Listen, man.
Hey, listen.
Y'all gonna do whatever y'all want to do, man. Just want to have a conversation, man.
Y'all grown. As my grandmother would say, y'all grown.
Listen, man. Listen. Couple things I want to say though. Like within our MDC, right? We got a class. I'm actually going to upload it. As a matter of fact, Pass, I got to send you a message, Pass, to see if you hook that flyer up for me. But we had a Forex class this past Wednesday. Brianna, the glue.
She's amazing. That was amazing.
That was amazing. Like, she taught it to us in a way that, for someone who doesn't trade Forex, you can actually understand. It's different than when you get your information from Forex bots who comment on your post, jump in your inbox. yo, y'all gotta stop too. Shout out to Tyrone, man. Tyrone like cussed me out earlier, man. It was a good cuss out though, man. He was like, yo, you gotta stop accepting these bots as friends. But what I was telling him is, I'm like, yo, I need to figure out who it is that's the first one accepting them, because once they get in our network, I'll be like having 50 friends in common. So I'm like, oh, all right, they friends with everybody. So like, you know what I mean? Like, but they definitely be out here scamming, and they be scamming. They be trying to like find the most attractive folks, make them their profile pics. You know what I mean? And then they jump in your inbox with their forex.
Hey man, I
nonsense.
might got a couple of them on there, but I ain't gonna lie. I got about 270 friend requests because I'm just not sure that they bots or not. So if you're
Yeah,
not a
man.
bot, send me an inbox and that you're not a bot. If you sent
Yeah,
me
I
a
gotta
friend
start doing that
request
too, man. I gotta start doing that
recently,
too.
I literally got about 270. Like I just go through and I look for people that I met in real life, and then I accept their friend requests, or I already talked to them online and I know that they are a real person. I'll accept those friend requests, but I'm not accepting no random ass friend requests. I don't know who it is.
I gotta start like going on their page and see if they got any videos up, man. Cause but some of them be scams too, though. Like, but anyway, man, shout out to Tyrone for telling me
Yeah, he definitely
how
put
many
it out in
scam
the
friends I
streets.
got. How many scam friends I got? Yo, Tyrone, if you ever watch this or watching this, you gotta let me know who started. Cause Tyrone know who it is though. Somebody is jumping in early and like accepting them. So, you know. But anyway, but the Forex class this past Wednesday was amazing. Shout out to Brianna for that. I'll be uploading that between tonight and tomorrow morning. Like I said, I got a lot of work to do. Because I'm uploading that. It's a book that goes with it. And that's just the first class. She'll be back next Wednesday. And she broke it down in a way that is just like majorly understandable. And got me ready to go get some money over there. All right, so let's see. Pearls from the passive from Passa's principles. Listen, I gotta come up with a hashtag, man. It's gonna be called Gems from Passa, man. Hold up, where can you use it's Capo, CAPO, Capo coin. I don't know what it's worth though. Somebody look up and see what Capo coin is worth. Them ETH fees are disgusting when you can make 100% return off one ETH. Them fees ain't as bad. It's someone from Algorand too. Hey, listen, GC, man. Like I told you, man, GC, I'm putting this on the record several times because I can't wait for it to happen. Everything, all roads lead to Bitcoin, bro. Jim was crying in Gucci. No
Yeah, I don't even. I agree, Lance. Again, I will not confirm or deny, the value and existence.
I ain't
of
saying
Capo
nothing, man, because
coin.
I'm a huge Dipset fan, so I'm just gonna stay quiet.
Hey, listen, of their music for sure.
I'm gonna stay quiet. That's all I'm gonna do. Freedom equals all responsibility. That's why people don't want it. Harlem Street corner stores. Dope Forex class. I'm so ready. Yeah, it definitely was. Cheryl says, when is the next Forex class? The Forex class is within our MDC private group. It's every Wednesday. So we got a Forex class every Wednesday, a crypto class every Thursday, and an options class every Sunday. And Chastity, we got Rap Chastity. We trying to get Chastity to do a class, with us as well. So definitely got to rap about that. But yeah, so the classes are all coming together. And hi, Miss Cheryl, how are you? Thank you for tuning in. And Rochelle's next Wednesday, absolutely. After Jada killed Dipset, Capricorn value went down.
Killed the value of their coin.
All right. Here go another gems from Passa. I gotta put this in my series. People fall for scams because they want $5 solutions to $1,000 problems. Passa, you used to rap when you were a young kid, man. Like were you an MC?
He said he wasn't always a passer.
I understand that, but I want to know, was he an MC though? Like, was he an MC?
Man, listen, he sound like somebody's grandfather, like you know what I mean? He sound like
no, but the way he says it is not just the gems in what he says. Like he be having a flow with it. Like
he's a passer.
Rap,
you know what I mean? Like, and he from Atlanta. He from the A. You know what I mean? So he got that. He got that hood lingo. He ain't always been a passer, and he got that hood lingo.
Lance said, "Let this one preach, Pastor." Yeah. Rochelle said, "Pastor, stop putting people out, putting their business out there. Add it next time." Facts. Oh man. Still tried to stop them people after they treated him in a manner he thought was super disrespectful.
Exactly.
Listen, man, I got my thoughts on that,
Exactly.
man. But I really mean it as one of my favorite songs. I'm just gonna be quiet.
Yo,
Y'all gonna
man,
bring the Savage Family articles back? Hey, listen,
we can
man.
do that. That's not very hard. We can do that.
Listen, man.
That ain't
Need to
hard.
focus for
We
that.
just be trying to keep the shows under 2 hours.
I'm from Harlem. The ish was sad. Listen, man. Although I'm really more of a Cam fan, but by proxy, you know what I'm saying? Like, I'm Bird Gang. They got scam rap out here right now too. Yo, scam rap is crazy, and I'm not gonna lie. I listen to some of the scam rap just because it's like,
I don't even know what that is.
oh, it's a whole subgenre of rap. It's a whole subgenre of rap. As a matter of fact, the one
Scam rap? What the
they
hell is
rap it,
that?
they literally rap. All right, see now I gotta put Corey on to something else, man. I gotta
Yeah,
put
'cause-
Corey on to something else, man. Now I'm excited, y'all. All right, so this is what we're gonna do, right? I'm gonna show Corey an example of a scam rap video, because scam rap is a subgenre of rap music, right? And the thing about
Like,
scam
see,
rap,
I'm
which
about to
makes it
cuss now. Like, I feel like an
like the
old
thing
man.
about scam rap, which makes it interesting, is this: is that they're literally telling you exactly how the scams work, but they're putting it in rap songs.
Oh man! So basically, it's like the dope boys telling the cops where they standing at on the corners and stuff.
Yeah, but they don't talk about like
So it's
the
basically
love. They
like
talk about
90.
running scam,
It's
literally.
like 90s rap where the dudes was like, "I'm gonna kill you," and like how the Chicago rappers be telling how they just ran down on somebody and killed somebody, but they talking about the actual. Oh, all right, you don't got it. I don't gotta listen to that.
No, but I want to. But
Do
listen,
not subject me to this. I
listen,
don't
bro.
want to
Listen,
know.
bro.
I don't want to know. I don't care. I'm sorry. I'm sorry.
But
I asked.
the folks got to know this though. The folks got to know this, man. TJ,
Oh
what's his
man.
full name?
Now I'm
TJ,
about to get infinitely dumber.
TJ X6. Listen. You got to know what's out there, man. Listen, you got boys. They're gonna be.
Listen. I'm just. First of all, my sons don't listen to any of that. So
Listen, now I know I got to show you an example. First of all, I just want you to see how TJ, how crazy this boy TJ is, right? Because TJ is the one that I've heard of first. Now I've seen like there's a whole genre now, but it's like they literally are giving you the plays in the songs. They're never on beat. They're really not even rapping, to be honest with you. They're just talking, but it's over hip hop beat, and they're talking about the scams they commit.
y'all really gonna make me listen to this though? Like, do I have to get dumber?
Listen, man. All right, hold on one second. I'm gonna pull one of TJ's tracks up for my brother Corey.
Oh God.
Y'all about to be y'all about to be exposed to what's known as scam rap, right?
I feel like my brain cells gonna get like I feel like a zombie about to eat my brain.
Listen, man. All right, here we go. All right, hold on. Let me share my screen. I'm gonna let you share so you can understand what scam rap is. Listen, you gotta know what's out here, Corey. You gotta understand that this is what this people are listening to. All right, share. All right, here we go. All right, so you can see my screen, right?
Yeah, man. Oh hell no! This nigga got on a face mask to start.
The government tried to ban me from the dark web. I downloaded Tor browser, then got back in. When they got a VPN, just bought another bin. I'ma keep searching these bitches on my site till I can slide a bin. This shit illegal, but it's green, I gotta get it in. I paid 5,000 for my fit, I'm not fitting in. If the bitch got dirty shoes, she not getting in. Bro can't move around with no straps, his case is still on pin. You can call me anything, we're broke, that's something I never been. I'm about to take your bitch to somewhere she ain't never been. You need to stop claiming the hood that you ain't never in. Niggas love running off of money, so I never lean. The hoes never ask you for no money, cause you always spend. The hoes never ask you for no money, you
All right,
be
I'm gonna stop here, right?
You can ask your bitch about me, I'm a bull in it. I just bought a piece.
I'm gonna stop here, Corey. I'm gonna tell you why. That's not even one of the more egregious ones. That's not even one of the more egregious ones. But he did tell you how he was about to get on a Tor browser, right? Go to the dark web and things of that nature. But that's not even one of the more egregious ones. He got one where he talks about a scam from Walmart, yo. And it's like, yo, he got one. He talks about how to buy guns off the dark web. All right.
Yo, that was about the most remedial. Shit was remedial. Yo, that was yo. I gotta say this, man, and I don't really care how they feel about it. That shit was remedial. I don't care how much money they make from it. I don't care how much money they got. I don't care if you like it. That is remedial as hell.
Listen, man.
That sounds like an 8-year-old from one of my schools that I taught at wrote that shit and then rapped that. Like, no, man.
Yeah.
Don't ever subject me to no crazy shit like that again, man.
It's just listen, man. It's not me. I want people to know what's out there, man. Mark Brett.
I ain't mean to cuss and fuss, but I can't do that, man. It's like Ratchet TV. It's like Ratchet TV, right? That right there.
This is worse than that. This what I'm getting ready to show you is actually worse than that. This when I first saw this, I was like, yo, he put this.
And what's crazy is I like a lot of ratchet rap, but this that was just ridiculous. Like, what is that?
All right, now listen to this, Core.
No.
Hold up.
Who the hell do that? So the subject that I'm teaching you guys is mourners.
Can you hear it?
Yeah, I can hear it. Unfortunately.
It's like a minute, but watch this.
Turn this up, I'm about to teach y'all some little lessons. I'm about to teach y'all niggas something if y'all had any questions. If you ain't got no money, trust me, bro, you can't be stressing. I'm about to teach you how to swipe from these little lessons. First, you gotta find a site for you to load on. When you go hit the Bitcoin, you can't be petty, bro. Put your money in, but can't be nothing under 100 though. If you want to hit for big shit, put in 100 more. Go on to your site, it's gonna tell you which address to load. Then you type that same address on the Bitcoin machine. If you put the right address, it should pop up green. Then from there, you done with that Bitcoin machine. I'll be on with you, you gotta play it low key. Cause remember, bro, you just loaded up on camera. Go to Starbucks, but make sure you run your computer. Go to the internet and log into your site. Wait 10 minutes and the money should be on your account. Depending on what site you use, click CDD. Enter one of your bids and scroll down the site. If you trying to get active, then buy a piece tonight. Don't be stupid and buy a little $5 number. Cause I know you trying to be flexing on niggas by the summer. I'm about to give you all a free method, but don't burn it out. I'm far to get a prepaid phone and make a Zelle account. But it'll probably be dead by the time this song come out. But if you still want to try, you can go ahead. The nigga said he did it yesterday, so it might not be dead. So I advise y'all niggas just to go ahead. Add a fire piece on that phone that you just made with Zelle. Send $1,000 to yourself on another Zelle. Soon as it pops, get that phone and go throw it away. Now you can thank me.
Stop, man. Stop. Turn this off, man.
Yo, he just ran out a whole scam. How to scam Zelle out of a couple dollars. All right, so anyway, Mark, I was just making Corey here. We exposed Corey to what scam rap is. It's a whole genre. But no one, please, by the way, don't take any advice you just saw in that video. Do not go try to scam Zelle tonight. Like, don't do that. It could say, yo, I was watching the Bodyhood Friday Live and they told me how to scam Zelle. Because no, anything we see on here is not investment or scam advice. This is for educational and informational purposes only. Yeah, he let the whole hood down. Talk about Capo. Trading the basics. Yeah. Chastity. Let's talk. We can talk about that. I like that though. I came in right for the sermon, Pastor. Yeah, scam rap. Capo coin ain't accepted in the Gucci store.
Not at all.
Either he was rapping in the 90s because those are see, Dion says either Pastor was rapping or pimping, one or the other. Hey, Pass, you ain't gotta put yourself out there, man. Yeah, see, GC know about the scam rap. Our brains are wired to survive. We have to be taught how to live. Sheesh.
That's a bar,
bars, man. Passer was past the before he was past up.
Yo, we said tonight's show's gonna be short, and we on here.
I know we always do the scam rap. Scam rap, man.
Yo, man, you might as well put the other boy up there who got the 50,000 books. What was the boy name?
Scam rap came out today. Pause, but yeah, definitely came started.
What's the boy name that got the 1,000 books about the hood stuff that go on, man?
Are you talking about Quan Mills, the legend?
Yeah, Quan Mills. Yo, I would rather
listen. Passes. I want the name of the book is Passes Eat Yams Too, right? The audio book is out, by the way. I'm just gonna put you out. I'm not saying I've listened to it. I'm just telling you it's out. That's all. You know, for those who may know,
this is for educational entertainment purposes only.
See, that's right. Latoya says she needs to keep it for her students. So that is scam rap, right? So, but the problem with that is the kids that do it are making money, like, but they're gonna get a lot of kids in trouble because they're gonna be out here trying them scams.
They put this on wax.
At a meeting with
like this rappers. Was they putting this out here in the ether. They just really just telling on themselves.
But I guess the way he looking at it is like, yo, some of the drill rappers go out and there talk about murders they committed. He like, I don't murder nobody, I scam. Yo, the boy TJ that I just showed you about, he's so popular. He got a documentary on HBO, bro.
I don't care.
I know you don't. But I'm
nothing about that damn documentary, man.
I know you
that
don't.
Shit was remedial. And if you, I don't care if he got $2 billion. That shit was remedial. I don't care nothing about his money, how much money he made from it. Is remedial as fuck. And I no, man, no.
We get so mad, yo. Here's the thing. I'm only showing you so you know what's going on in the world.
Man, listen. Now I know. Now I know. Don't ever expose me to that again, man. I don't want nothing. I don't want no part of it.
See, I never heard of the scam rap. A lot of people never heard of scam rap.
Good, y'all just the hell, man.
Shout to Leon the Zoga from Money and Violence. Yeah, I call it. Not a zombie.
Yeah, man.
What I know about the punch and swipe sauce. Listen, man, I spend a lot of time online, man. And I, who was we talking to today? I kept talking. I spend so much time on YouTube. I live on YouTube. I live on YouTube, so I'm abreast of whatever's on YouTube. I'm abreast of it. I don't care whether that's the Hoteps, the scam rappers, the Quan Mills, the options trading, everything, all the good stuff, ratchet and righteousness. Still, Corey, even with scam rap, nothing is more ratchet than the show Lance had me watching. That still has the bug. That's worse than TJ, yo.
I'll never watch it. I can't. I couldn't pick a housewife out of Atlanta. I still have never seen one show of that.
I love.
I can't.
Atlanta.
I will not listen. There are things that I will watch that are dumb as a bag of rocks, but that's not it. Like
you, about to say, you talk about bagger. You watched the Sixers game last night. Anyway,
yeah, I did. That was remedial too.
This is like how we used to play around rapping about random stuff as kids. Absolutely, don't even sound real, right? Somebody check on Corey. Mark says 2 minutes of my life I can't get back.
Can't ever get it back.
ABC rapper that can't catch a beat. Yo, they don't even be trying to catch the beat though. That's like part of their style.
I don't even know why they put a beat to it.
It's a whole thing, bro. That was some SoundCloud type. Yeah. Corey is like, why me? Oh man. Some burnt out sauce. GC says, don't try that scam because it don't work no more. It's burnt out. I don't know how GC knows that, but we ain't gonna ask GC to incriminate himself. You can't throw it away. They put a whole wave of youngins to another way to get bread other than dope and macking. Back in the 90s, it was only our happy brothers and queens who had the game. Hey, listen, man. I'm just showing you what's out here. If I gotta do 50 steps to make 1,000, I'm just gonna leave that alone. They don't want to get jobs though, Pass. That's the problem. He said he's from the A, so when you're in the A, you're born with the gift of gab. Got you. The audio book, man. What type of weirdo? Listen, I'm just telling you what it is. It's out there. That's all. There should be an NDC documentary episode of the show about how you guys came together to create. Oh, I like that, Dion. That's dope. We gotta find a camera person. We're gonna meet up at Tone Spot in the Dominican to do the documentary.
Yeah, right.
Drill is crazy. I can't even listen to it.
I can listen. The crazy part is I like drill music. I don't like that.
Do you now? You hear the new Dirk album?
I did. Actually, the kids in my class listen to it incessantly. When I'm not teaching, that's all they listen to. So actually, I've heard that.
I listened to Dirk. A Dirk album dropped last night. I listened to it today, and the crazy part about it is his new album ain't really about kill him. Yo, his new album, I feel like sorry for the boy. It's like all you hear is somebody basically singing their pain. But that's a whole other story. That's a whole other show.
Listen, listen, man, it's a lot of pain out there. Like every R&B singer on the planet that sing about their pain. So rapping about it ain't gonna
Yeah, but
bother
him
me.
rapping about his pain is different when every other bar is about one of his friends close to him or family members that just got
Getting
murdered.
clapped. Yeah.
It's a whole different pain. Yeah, it's kind of crazy, bro.
Yeah.
I wasn't a pimp, but I had fun. Let's just say that. All right, so we got
I
to
ain't
get a
mad at
documentary. Pastor before he found God. We get that documentary. There was a segment about this on Black Market with Michael K. Williams, RIP. Rest in power to Michael K. Williams. I never saw that segment about it. Michael K. Williams was he was doing some dark parts to that show. See, Millie Block learned about scam rap too. See, Mark said, "My bad, Corey." Blame Mark. He started it. Mark started it. That show was something else. Yes, it was. He said what I said. He got an episode of Generation Hustle. It's a doc on his scam rap. I didn't make the first episode of y'all special. All right, let's see. Yo, that baddie show is about to no. How they get a season 2? They really got a season 2? Yo, and Jason, you watch the show? How you know?
Yeah, like you looking out.
Yo, Gigi said, "Ain't no need to rhyme when you giving out the sauce." I've never scammed before. Don't put that on me. All right, but I'm not putting it on you. I'm just saying, it was burnt out or whatever. Look. Even Lance found it out. Oh, word? They do the reunion show yet? This shit is too violent for me. I couldn't get through it fully. All right, got you. The flashing lights in the confessional was killing me. All right, man, let's catch up. All right. So them Home Depot and those credit lines was a luck back in there. Okay. All right, so Jamil giving out his sauce, right? Jamil doing a scam rap in the comments.
Hey, listen, I stopped going in the groups, like credit repair groups, right? That's all they do all day is talk about scams on them Jones. He's talking about scamming.
All right, yeah. See, that's how we gonna keep it all together before we do our giveaway. I ain't say play it, Mark. You didn't say play it, but when I realized that most people never heard of it, I had to give them a little bit of a Some of y'all folks out here in the finance space, y'all gotta stop with y'all scams too, yo. Because I'll be seeing some scams on IG, on YouTube, and I'm like, y'all say forget the gray area. We gonna cross that line. So, in a lot, there's a lot of stuff around credit repair and a lot of other stuff.
And then when y'all sit in front of the judge and he play back it, whatever you said, like now you're going to jail.
A lot of real estate scams out here too.
That's happening to people. They be sitting on the stand and they play their own words. Right on the joint, like
shout out to speaking. Yeah, pretty much. Speaking of real estate, though, I got a rehab project ready to put on the market. I'm actually meeting our brother Lamont, a photographer, tomorrow morning to take pictures. So I'm gonna be on y'all timelines with the new rehab tomorrow.
Congratulations, good brother.
Thank you, good brother. The key is taking what you learned in Egypt and apply into the promised land. Oh, one man's pimp is another man's MLM creator. This is true. All right. So with that being said, though, Corey, man, anything else you want to say to our folks before we get out of here?
Yeah, man. Let's do some non-scammy stuff and just give away some Bitcoin, man. I'm just sick of talking about scams involved. We talked about losing a lot of money and scams. Like I'm depressed a little bit about like, and then I had to listening to that shit threw me off, man. Like it got me cussing. I can't even stop. Like.
That's because you like a certain level of rap, right? So you probably don't even listen to a lot of I'm gonna leave it alone. All right, so but listen, here's what I do gotta say. Our current podcast, we got Chad Copeland on there. Chad Copeland is doing amazing work. He has created a crypto program which has been approved to be in high schools for students to actually get
accredited crypto program.
Yeah, to get credit in their high school course. So he's in our most recent episode of the pod. Dope. Him and his brother both, because his brother's in the NFL and he's doing like dope stuff around finance too. So, but we talked to him on the most recent episode of the pod. So that's fire. Make sure you check that out. I don't even know who we got coming up on the pod, man, but we got another pod. We drop a pod every week. Our brother's here, the mathematician, brother Kill Parker. What's up, Kill? How you? Dion says, real quick, how'd you lose 4K? I got here late. All right, so I'm gonna recap for those that missed my story about how I lost 4K this week. I lost 4K, Dion, by not even following any of the rules that I set. So what I was telling folks is I was up about like over 6,500 over the last couple of weeks trading options, and I even was on a crazy win streak. So even Monday and Tuesday I was profitable. Come Wednesday I was trading SPY. I got into a trade. I had a bunch of contracts, like 13, something crazy, and my analysis was actually correct. By the time the market closed, I think I had a 420 put. So by the time the market closed, it was like 416. It was below, so I was in the money. But what happened was I never had my OCO order set, so I didn't set any stop loss or anything like that. I was off doing something in crypto I ain't have no business doing. You know what I'm saying? Chasing quick crypto bucks, which is not even what I do, but I was like, I could flip some bread real fast. Never got back over to my TD account to close the trade out before the day was over. So that's like a mistake in itself. I never liked the whole SPY contracts overnight. Reason being, the next morning, which was Thursday, it gapped up something crazy. So my contract basically became all of my contracts became worthless. So that's how I got the loss. You know, and I wanted to share my loss because I share my wins. So let's share my losses. You know what I mean? You know, let's share it all. Yeah, definitely gonna catch the episode. Appreciate you, Lance. And listen, by the way, for those also that came in late, we got a new course dropping soon. If not this week, the following week is with Lance, and it's absolutely brilliant.
Yeah, it is. I just told you, she got me on a chart. Like, she didn't even sit there. She got me on a chart.
Yeah. Allegedly, you can grab Robinhood profiles 3,400.
Dang.
All right, so Jamil letting us in on a whole new side of him tonight. That scam rap done set him off. Like, it's accredited. That's dope. Yeah, it definitely is. I'm sitting here paying some parking tickets with my full card, so I ain't
Taxes are a scam too, and that's a tax.
I got a parking ticket in the mail a couple days ago from Bowie, Maryland. I was in Maryland a couple weeks ago, and I hate when I get tickets when I'm driving like out of town, because what I'm supposed to do, I'm supposed to fight it. Like, first of all, how I'm prove that I wasn't going to speed limit you saying I'm going, right? You send me a picture. That picture don't tell me how fast I'm going. And then I'm not driving down there to fight it. So they got a quick $40 out of me. I mean, it is what it is, man. But if y'all watching this from Bowie, man, F y'all. All right. So, but that's a good idea, Kill. I'm going to pay it with my full card. I'll get some of that back. And I got like 20 spins in the tuck.
Yeah.
So I'm going to keep spinning until I'm going to keep spinning until I try to get 100%. Buddy of mine got called in by the FBI. Whoa. They played him a conversation he had with a lady 7 years ago about a donation, word for word. Wow. Dang. Yeah, they listen to everything, bro. I know they be on my line, but I don't care. I ain't, I ain't in the scam culture.
Who the F is this? Paging me at 5:46 in the morning, crack of dawn, and now I'm yawning.
All right, Dion sharing his losses too. I hit that MasterCard play on Monday and took nothing but L's for the rest of the week. Hey, listen, man, wins and losses, bro. Wins and losses. All right, man. So you ready to give away some Bitcoin Core?
Absolutely, positively.
Let's do a 50 piece, but this 50 piece, how we gonna break it down? 10 5s or 225s?
225s, man.
Are you trying to get out of here, man?
Yeah, put them ones up, y'all. Put them ones up.
Yeah, we like at a concert. Put your ones up.
Put them ones in the air.
Yeah, put the ones up. If you want to be entered into our giveaway, drop a 1 in the comment section. We'll put you in our giveaway. We're going to give away some Bitcoin. Put your rollies in the sky, wave from side to side. Keep your hands high. Big B flossing. 5 double low.
We got to do a whole show on rap lyrics that talk about getting money, man.
Listen, what's the hardest rap lyric about money? The single hardest.
My favorite song, Imaginary Player. So I'm about to. Those ain't Rolex diamonds. What the you done to that?
I told you before. I said it on the pod, but I can't listen to Imaginary Player because Imaginary Player makes me feel like my net worth is like way higher than what it is.
Those ain't Rolex. To me, that's the ugliest. That's the ugliest rap lyric of all time. When I see you in the streets, I don't see none of that. Damn, Playboy. What the fuck is the hum at? Where's all the eyes with all the platinum under that? Those ain't Rolex diamonds. What the fuck you done to that? Yo, he slaughtered the game. I know he was talking to me, but I'm saying he slaughtered the whole game with that, though. Y'all rapping ass players, y'all
Oh,
nothing to me.
all right, I see the one still coming in. I'm just letting people
Yeah.
get ones up before I start typing. Man, the illest line is, if every nigga in your clique is rich, your clique is rugged.
Yeah,
You know what I'm
man.
saying? That line right there, everybody
That's
will
another
fall
jigger line.
because everybody will beat each other's catches. All right, yeah, but to me, that's the illest one. But anyway, let's get these names on the board. Let me put the screen up.
Jay was giving out game long
That's for
before
film.
he made 444. Everybody thought 444 was like the pinnacle of him giving out money game. He was giving out money game for 20 years. Y'all just wasn't listening. Y'all wasn't listening at all.
All right, so Core.
Yep, I'm ready. And these ones. All right,
Ready?
so
Let's go get it.
yep, Tay, Don,
Mm-hmm.
Rochelle, Chess.
Hold up, one second. Rochelle, Chaz.
Chaz,
Who else?
Latoya,
Uh-huh.
Mark, Rock, Deion Chavis, Cookie, J Rock, Seneca, Joyful,
Joyful.
Right. Yo, every time I see her name, I just want to bring it to a gospel song. Jamil.
All right, who's at the Joyful?
Jamil.
Okay.
Lisa. Akil. Angelique.
Sister Act 2, Angelique.
Jose.
I don't want to spell Angelique's name wrong.
ANJELIQUE.
ANJEL.
Oh no, ANG. I can't spell. ANG.
Okay. ELIQUE.
Yeah.
All right. I didn't want to spell it wrong. You said J, and I'm like, all right, I definitely was spelling it wrong. Go ahead. What's the next one?
Jose.
Joyful Lord. my sister act back, man. Sister Act 2 is a piece of shit.
That's why I want to sing it, because that's the exact same song I was thinking about. Alyssa Brown.
Way, what have you done for him? I'm sorry. Who got the Jose though? My bad. Who got the Jose?
Alyssa. ALISA. Dontre. Stevie.
Hey, Dontre, if you win, don't pull off, man. Who else?
Daniel. Patricia. I don't know who this is. Bonce. BONCEE. I don't know. I don't know who a player is, but sure, you could put them on there.
What's that? How you spell
it? APLAYA.
All right.
Sure. They a player.
What? Joyful.
I swear. I'm going to do the same thing. Yeah, that was the last name on there.
Heart come full like fire.
Stop.
My bad. I'm about to get off here and go watch this Act 2 now, y'all. I'm about to go watch this Act 2, man. Shout out to Lauren, man. Lauren is a legend. All right, so with that being said, all right, I'm gonna put this comment up right here because it's basic investing in Bitcoin. The main feedback I get is dumbass questions about Sheeb, Doge, or XRP. With TJ.
Yo.
All right, so with that being said, let's get the first one out the way. Remember, by the way, so we are going to move this eventually over to the new platform that we showed last week with the certificates, but everything hasn't been launched yet. Shout out to everybody who hit me up with their information because it was sent over. I talked to them today, so they're going to get you the early access to that. So until everything's set up, though, we still want to rock with the Cash App because it's just easy to do.
We still want your Bitcoin in your pocket.
We'll never want to stop to get our giveaways, so we're gonna keep it popping. Don says, "Don't forget to head over to YouTube and hit the like button." Appreciate you, Don, for always supporting and making sure I forget to say that because we're not your traditional YouTubers per se. We are over there, but we just try to help as many folks as possible.
This
So with that
one
being
definitely ain't getting monetized because I cussed him for us all the way through this, John.
joyful, Lord. All right, so here's the first spin for the first person. Good luck to everybody. Remember, give us your cash tag. There's a couple folks that won a couple weeks ago. I forgot who it was, but they never hit me up, and nothing I could do about it. So that's on you. So don't forget to let me know.
They live in lifestyles of the rich and famous.
Yeah. Shout out to Nike for the ad in the joint, but let's go. Oh, it's The Rock. Oh, didn't Rock win last week too?
Yeah, Rock on the street.
Rock won. Check. Put my swagger back. All right. So with that being said, it's time to go to the last one for 25. Rock, I know you won last week. You got a certificate. Now you're about to send you a cash app. Rock is cooking. I can see y'all smell what The Rock is cooking. All right. So listen.
Can you smell it?
Don't forget, if you haven't yet, follow us on IG. Matter of fact, I gotta drop a new meme tonight. I ain't drop a meme today. Follow us on IG, YouTube, and all the good.
You gotta drop a scammer meme.
I definitely gotta drop a scammer meme. All right, I'm gonna go create a scammer meme tonight. Like, we talked about scamming. You know what I'm saying? So now I gotta drop a scammer meme. I'll go make one. I'll go find me an R&B. I'm gonna show you how nice I am. It's at like 8:30. By 9 o'clock, I'm gonna go find a whole new song. I'm gonna take it from an R&B song. I'm gonna find something relating to R&B and turn it to a scam, just to prove that I'm a meme god. With that being said, though, let's do this last one. Rock, shoot me a message with your cash app. I'm pretty sure I got it because you've been, winning a lot. And good luck to everybody. And here's the last one. Hopefully, you're still with us. Ooh.
Jose.
BX, Jose, what's good, Jose? Jose wins.
What it is, though.
Congrats, Jose. So that's what we doing, man. Jose and Rock, you guys are winners this evening, $25 a piece. Congratulations. Listen, for everybody, classes on Sunday. Forex class for those in the MDC, the Forex class will be put back there by tomorrow. What else?
Rush drop gems on us.
Yeah, Russ dropped gems on us, like Mob Deep. So we'll have that back there as well, the most recent crypto class. So we got crypto class, Forex class, options class. You know what I'm saying? We about to bring some real estate there. And we got Chaz going to, do like a fundamentals type thing on options as well. So with that being said, we appreciate you guys for tuning in with us as always. Get with us online. You know what I'm saying? And we'll see you guys next week, next Friday. But for those that are in the group, Sunday noon is class. We'll holler at y'all then. Peace.